Hi, I'm Tom Rice. I'm going to talk a little bit about the DS breakers, what they're capable of and what they have. Right now we have two DS breakers. One's a DS206 and the other one's a DSL206. A lot of these will come, if it's electric, it'll come with two different types of auxiliary switches. You could have this style or this style. They'll have a motor. You have a shunt trip and a closing coil. Some might have UVRs. We have two types, a standard UVR and a delay UVR. And a lot of them will have secondaries. This will be a secondary for DS206. This will be a DS2 secondary. Some might have OTS switches. This is a electric OTS, or you can have a manual reset one, which would mount right in here. We have different programmers. We have programmers with targets. We have programmers without targets. Also, we have this style, which will be a Digitrip bracket. You might see on some. You might see that style bracket on Digitrip for Digitrip. Okay, this is a back of a standard DS breaker, which will be a 206. This is the DSL 206, which has fuses, which will be mounted on the back, and they'll have transformers. You can tell by the difference in the length of the breaker. These are the secondaries mounted on electric DS206, where this is a manual 206 with no secondaries. Okay, on the front of these, on these nameplate tags, you'll have codes. They'll give you the Y diagram numbers if it's a manual, or some of them will have, they'll be electric, there'll be a bunch of numbers with codes. Like 6A would be probably your programmer wiring. 2D will probably be your control wiring. Now on a DSL, this is a manual, so you probably don't have it. All it has is your programmer wiring. Maybe sometimes they'll add a shunt trip. This is the final of the DS's. If you have any questions on the DS206s up to the DS840s, you can give us a call, or you can get it online and check us out on the web.